Hi, my name is Nico Roesler. I'm the North American Pretzel and Snack Equipment Sales Manager at Reading Bakery Systems. At IBIE this year, we're highlighting our new wire cut technology for cookie and bar applications. This is our most versatile system that we've ever introduced. It's got up to 14 different servo motors to provide ultimate flexibility. We also include new technology, and that's ultrasonic cutting for certain sticky inclusions and fillings for cookies and bars. So you can actually apply the ultrasonic cutting at the wire cut mechanism or on the belt as a guillotine cutter for bars. So there's just a ton you can do with this machine for multi-dough cookies, multicolored cookies, encapsulated cookies, and bars with fillings. We're really excited to showcase this equipment this year, and we hope you stop by to see it.